Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create a geometric texture background design in Adobe Illustrator. Draw a vertical strip. Go to Object menu, Path, Add Anchor Points. Use Direct Selection tool, shortcut A, to select anchor point. Click Remove Selected Anchor Points on Anchor Point panel. Copy Ctrl C, paste in front, Ctrl F, Alt key and drag for duplicate, Ctrl D for duplicate, align, Ctrl F7, horizontal, distribute, center. Select anchor points and double click on scale tool. Uniform 0%. Transform Shift F8. W value and H value make same value. Group Ctrl G. Copy Ctrl C. Paste in front Ctrl F. Gradient panel Ctrl F9. Type linear. -30°. Eyedropper tool, shortcut I. Pick gradient color. -30°. -150°. -150°. Draw a horizontal box with a rectangle tool, shortcut M. Gradient type, radial. Finally, your geometric pattern with stripped lines background is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create abstract geometric background design in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.